Hello YouTube, ito ang pinakauna kong vlog. Gumawa ako ng vlog para maghingi ng, sabihin na lang natin, paano ko ba sasabihin to? Sabihin na lang natin nanghihingi ako ng inyong prayers. Please pray for me. Magte-take na ako ng board exam ngayong December and kailangan ko ang inyong mga prayers. Today is November 24 and my exam is December 18 and 19. 24 days left. I know medyo may mataas pang time, pero sabi nga nila, time flies so fast. So please pray not just for me but for all the board exam takers this December. Oo nga pala, ang kukunin ko nga pala is nursing board exam. If you have prayed for me, kindly leave a comment down below or just PM me and I will also pray for you too. That's all. Actually, this is my first vlog. I hope to make more vlogs soon. Bye-bye.